Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. So in our new series on doing business right way, we have seen many videos in the order. In this series today we talk about the preparation for the business launch. So as you see, like we have seen totally 5 videos starting with just focus on the business aligned with your domain skills or domain expertise. Then you have to decide on what you want to do with your business, decide on the offerings. And number 3, the market identification and how do you select the particular market, the criteria. Number 4, we talk about the market structure. And number 5, we focused on the know your competition. So now the 6th video talks about after knowing everything, now you have to focus on the preparation for the business launch. So what are the aspects you have to focus now actually when you are preparing to launch your business? That is a very important aspect. So number 1, you need to first identify the market. After you identify the market, you need to know what kind of a product and services you want to sell there, and whether the particular product or services has a very good fit in that particular market. So your product and service have a general fit, but you need to have some specific fit for the selected market, which is very, very important because you are launching your business for the first time. So the first time should be a best fit, and that should help you to put your hold in that particular market and let you grow in that. So when you are looking at the product service fit, you need to focus on the target consumers you are looking at, the very important thing. So which the target consumer you are looking at, and whether the product or service you are offering will have an excellent fit to the particular target consumer. So in that way, actually the product acceptance will be very easy, and you can immediately launch your business. So from the day one. And number 2, the competition. So do you have any competition in that particular market? Definitely you have a competition. So as we discussed in our previous video. So how actually your product is aligning with the competitors' products. So that is also very important, and whether it is a better product or weaker product, so that you have to identify. So this is another important aspect. Number 3, how you are going to reach your target consumers. So are you going for what kind of the business model? How you are going to sell your product or services, whether you're going for a physical or a digital, what kind of a mode you are going to approach your target consumers. So that is, you have to very clear about it, that you have to identify and decide. Number 4, the marketing aspects. We will discuss in detail in our future videos. The marketing aspects, starting with which product services and the pricing aspects, the promotion, the distribution aspects, then other aspects of positioning, those are all those things. So these are all the 5 aspects. And 6th one, actually the market analysis. So you have to identify how much you can sell in the particular market, the potential, and you have to fix a target for the first year or second year. At least for the first year, you need to have a target in place. Then number 7 is a marketing plan. So you have to have a clear marketing plan, which involves all these aspects we discussed. So these are all the aspects which somebody has to have in their mind, and they have to do homework when they are preparing to launch a business. So starting with which product services you want to focus on, and competition and the competitors' products, services aligning. And number 3, you have to identify the mode of approaching your consumers. What kind of a mode of your business, going for physical or digital, what kind of a mode. Then we talk about the marketing aspects. Then we focus on the marketing plan. So these are all the different aspects you have to consider when you actually prepare for your business launch, which is very, very important. So you have to keep in your mind. So it shows very clearly, like if somebody has to do a business and this is the right way to do it, right systematic way to do your business, it will give you a clear idea and focus of how you can get into that particular market, and how you can steer your business and how you can grow. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my videos, giving your comments and reviews, and sharing with your network. And actually, all my videos are original, thought-provoking, trending, and futuristic in nature. Once again, thank you very much.